guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for joining us and I would like to have you as a part of this couponing family. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. This is the second week for this ad cycle. And that means that all the deals you did last week, you can repeat them again and let's go see what deals we can find. Before I start today's video, I would like to mention a coupon we just received today. I shared this deal last week. It's on the Dove hair care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back, limit of 1 per week. Last week we received a 4 off 2 digital coupon and this week we received another 4 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to the Dove hair care. If you're going to do it by itself, pick up 2. They are priced at $5.19 each, and both will total $10.38. Using the 2 4 off 2 digital coupon we have, it will drop it down to $2.38, and you get 5 back, making both free and $2.62 money maker. And remember, we have a 10 off 40 hair care CRT. If you're putting together a deal, you can add this to it and this will help the other hair care deals out and make it even cheaper. In my last week's video, I posted a hair care deal using the 10 off 40 hair care CRT, which includes this Dove deal, and using this extra 4 off 2 we received today will make it even cheaper. Make sure you check it out if you need it. The first deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back, and the Crest Densify is part of this deal. Pick up 1. They're on sale for $8.99. We have a $4 digital coupon that will apply to it, and make sure you're scanning your products in the store. And the second item to complete this deal will be the Crest Brilliance on sale for $8.99, and we also have a $4 digital coupon for it. These two will total $17.98. Using the $4 coupon I mentioned earlier on for the Densify and the Brilliance, it will take off $8, dropping it down to $9.98, and you get $5 back, making both just $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT, I will explain another way you can do this deal to get it even cheaper. And that's by picking up 2 of the Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.94. And these toothpaste are on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. By itself, the 2 will total $7.88. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.88 and you get $4 back, making it 88 cents or 44 cents each. But using the 4 off 20 Crest CRT, these 4 toothpaste will total $25.86. Using the 2 $4 digital coupon I mentioned earlier on for the Densify and the Crest Brilliance, and the 3 off 2 digital coupon for the smaller toothpaste, and with the new total, you can use the 4 off 20 Crest CRT. That will take off $15, dropping it down to $10.86, and you get $5 back for buying 2 of the $8.99 toothpaste and $4 back for the second Crest deal, which will make these 4 toothpaste cost just $1.86 or 47 cents each. The next oral care deal I have is on Scope Squeeze Mouthwash Concentrate. They're on sale for $4.94, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. Both will total $9.88. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.88 and you get 4 back, making both just $3.88 or $1.94 each. My next deal is on Oral-B Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush. It's on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back. Pick up 1. It's priced at $9.09. I don't have any coupon or CRT for this product. But if you have a 20% off CRT, the one we normally receive in our email, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. If you're using the 20% off CRT, it will take off $1.82, dropping it down to $7.27, and you get $2 back, making it just $5.27. My next deal is on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. And these two will total $11.58. Everybody received a $4 mystery offer, and in today's savings set, you can use 2 of the $3 iCoupon for CoverGirl. That will take off $10, dropping it down to $1.58. Pay that and get $5 back, making both free and $3.42 moneymaker. My next deal is on 7.5 ounce Grove liquid hand soap. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2. They are priced at $4.79 each. I have no coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal because they are not on sale. Picking up 2 will total $9.58, and if you're not using any percentage of CRT, pay the $9.58 and get $3 back, making these 2 just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is on Nivea Shave Gel. They are part of the buy 2 get 7 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 men Nivea Shave Gel, priced at $6.59 each. And these 2 will total $13.18. Pay that and get $7 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 back on each. The white one is attaching to 2 offers, but I'm going to do this calculation based on the one I think everybody is going to have, and that will be $1.25. You will get back $2.50 from Ibotta, and that will end up making these 2 just $3.68 or $1.84 each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $4 back on Vaseline products, limit of 1 per week. Pick up the 10 ounce Vaseline lotion, priced at $5.59, and the 20 ounce Vaseline lotion, priced at $9.59. These 2 will total $15.18. We all have a $2 digital coupon, and in my Unilever email, I received a $1 coupon that you can also add to this deal if you have it. That will take off $3, dropping it down to $12.18, and you get $4 back, making these 2 just $8.18 or $4.09 each. And if you have any lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal. If you like Mr. Bubble's products, this week they're on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back, and that includes the scientific or terrific bath portion or 36 ounce bubble bath. 2 ways you can do this deal is to pick up the Mr. Bubble portion, priced at $4.29, pay that and get $2 back, making it just $2.29. If you want to make this even cheaper, you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use a percentage of CRT because it's not on sale. And the second way you can do this deal is by picking up the bubble bath, priced at $7.49. Pay the $7.49 and you get $2 back, making it just $5.49. And the percentage of CRT also applies to this one. You can use it to make it cheaper. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on select Poise pads or liners, and they're on sale for 2 for $13. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 10 and you get 4 back, making these 2 just $6 or $3 each. The next feminine care deal I have will be on Carefree liners. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of the buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 of the 20 count liners, priced at $1.99. Because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1. These 2 will total $2.99. We don't have any coupon for these 2 products, so pay the $2.99 and you get $2 back, making both just 99 cents or 50 cents each. And this will make a very good filler item if you have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT. This next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, but I will show you 2 ways you can do this deal. And that will be on the Palmolive or Ajax dish soap. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 Ajax, priced at $4.19 each. And because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.10. And the 2 will total $6.29. We have a $3.50 off 2 digital coupon that applies to both Ajax or Palmolive. Using that coupon will drop it down to $2.79. Pay that, and that will make both just $2.79 or $1.40 each. If you prefer palm olive, pick up two. They are priced at $4.99. The second one will be $2.50. And these two will total $7.49. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon, and that will drop it down to $3.99 for both, or $2 each. The next deal I have is on CVS Health Underp Parts, the 10 counts, 18 counts, or 30 counts. They're on sale for 2 for $15, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 of the 10 counts. That will total $15. Pay the $15 and get $5 back, making these two just $10 or $5 each. If you have extra care box and you don't mind spending, this makes a very good donation item. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the Total Home Bath Tissue, on sale for $4.99 each. Pick up 2 Ultra Strong 6 Mega Rolls Bath Tissue at $4.99 each, and both will total $9.98. I only have a 2 of 10 Total Home CRT that will drop it down to $7.98 for both, or $4 each. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back, and the first item I have in this deal is Bounty 3 double rolls, on sale for $9.99. The next item to add to this deal will be the Charming 6 roll bath tissues, on sale for $9.99. To complete this deal, add the Gain detergent, on sale for $9.99. These three will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30 get 10. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty, and for the Charming, we also have a $1 digital coupon. For the Gain detergent, we have a $2 digital coupon. That will take off $4, dropping it down to $25.97, and you get 10 back, making these three just $15.97 or $5.32 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.